Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 12th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the dollar index, I still think there's a pretty good chance this is the end of a correction over here. If that is the end of a correction, then it will eventually go down and take out this low right here. Now we have CPI inflation data coming out today, but as of right now, it looks like that potentially could be bearish the dollar. We definitely did make a pretty decent little push up, but we definitely do not have a Fibonacci bounce. I don't really think this move down is complete, especially because of this possible end of a correction on the daily 4-hour time frame. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down. If we get one, two, three waves up to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, then we get a nice engulfing move to the downside with hopefully a nice break of structure. That's exactly what I would be looking for potentially the end of a correction and hopefully a nice short entry on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.